Hello everyone, welcome to Mobilemaths with Kamchirang. Today I want us to look at substitution 1. So this is more like an introduction into substitution. I have a couple of questions that I want us to go through. The first one, we have got this, find the value of 4 by 3d minus e minus 2f. And we are given the value of d, the value of e, and the value of f. So what we do is this: we write our equation that we are given, 4 by 3d minus e minus 2f. Now we substitute each element that we are given. So we have got 4 by, let me have it as a bigger bracket, then I've got 3 multiplying d, we have got our d as a 2 minus our e is 4, like that. Then minus 2 by f is 3, like that. I'm putting brackets, these brackets that I'm putting, these ones, this one and this one, they simply mean that we are multiplying there. Okay, now let's continue. I'm now solving inside before I do the multiplication of 4 by this bracket there. I'm now solving what is inside. I've got 3 times 2, we get 6 minus 4, like that. Then I've got minus 2 times 3, we get 6. Let's simplify. Inside the bracket, we will have, at the end of the day, we'll have 4 by, inside the bracket, 6 minus 4, we get 2. Then we have got minus 6. Then we say 4 times 2, we get 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, we will get a 2. Okay, we'll get a 2. Okay, so that's our value there. Now let's have another example. So we have got another similar example. We'll write our equation m minus n by u plus v. And we now substitute the elements that we are given. Our m is said to be 5 minus our n is 3, like that. Then our u is 1 plus our v is 2, like that. Let's simplify. So before we even multiply, this part here shows that these two are multiplying. Before we multiply, we solve what is inside the brackets first. So I've got 5 minus 3 there, I'll get a 2. Then multiplying 1 plus 2, I'll get a 3. Okay, so I've got 2 times 3, I will get a 6. So that's the value that we are looking for. Let's have another example. Okay, here I've got 3 examples there. I've got the first one, root c squared plus m squared. Let's find. So I'm going to deal with a first, root of c squared plus m squared. We are given our c is 3, our m is 4. Let's substitute there. Substituting, I will get square root of my c is 3 squared plus my m is 4 squared, like that. Let's simplify. I will get square root of 3 squared, we get 9, plus 4 squared, we get 16. Okay, adding these two, 9 plus 16, we get 25. Okay, then square root of 25 is equal to a 5. So that's the value of that part. Let's move on to the part B of the question. Part B of the question is saying it's square root of n plus b plus na. Okay, all under the square root. Let's substitute the values that we have. Our n is equal to 5. Okay, plus our b is equal to 2. Sorry, I wrote n there instead of 5. We've got 5. Then our a is 1. Okay, so we substitute like that. So I'll have square root of, we first of all simplify what we have. And on this part here, I first of all add what is inside the bracket first before multiplying outside. So let's do that. I'll have 5 multiplying by 7. 5 plus 2 we get 7, then plus 1. Now I can do the multiplication there. Okay, I can say 5 times 7. 5 times 7 will get 35. Then plus our 1 will get square root of 36 there. Okay, and our square root of 36, you find out we will get a 6. Okay, like that. Now let's do the last question. The last question, our part C, I will change the color there. Let me change the color. Part C of the question was saying we've got c squared plus m over n squared plus a. Okay, substituting there, my c is 3 squared plus m, our 4, over n squared, that's 5 squared, plus our a, 1. Okay, so we will get 3 squared, we get 9, plus 4, over 5 squared, we get 25, plus 1. Okay, then simplifying that, we will get 9 plus 4, we get 13, over 26. This is equal to 1/2. Okay, so that's how we simplify that one. Let's have a look at another question. Okay, this one we have got 2 by a squared, 2 by a squared, bc over 2b minus c. Okay, let's substitute what we have. I have got 2 by a is 3 squared times our b is minus 4 times our c is minus 5. Okay, like that. Then we are saying this is all over. We are saying this is all over 2 by b. Our b is minus 4 minus c, which is our minus 5 there. Okay, like that. Let's simplify and see what do we get if we multiply those. Okay, now multiplying this, we will get 2 times, the first one is going to be 3 squared, we have 9, so I'll have 2 by 9. Okay, then minus 4 times minus 5, we get plus 20, so I can say times 20 there. Okay, all over minus 4 times minus 4 times 2, we get minus 8 there. Then minus 5, we get a plus 5, like that. Let's simplify. We'll get 2 times 9, we get 6, we get 18. 18 times 20, we get 360, so I've got 360 over minus 5 minus 8 minus 3 minus 8 plus 5, I'll get a 3 there. Now I can divide 3 there, 1, 3 there, 1, 2, 0. Remember the negative there, so I can say this will end up giving me a minus 120. Okay, so this is the final value there. Our questions are done, guys. This one is your practice question. Take note of the negative numbers there, like minus 7 there. Otherwise, bye bye guys, see you next time.